Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at top 6 Gmail tips and tricks. Right? Undo. I'm going to show you how to undo an email, schedule, create the template. When you mean create the template, it means, for instance, if somebody send you just create a particular template. That's if in case you have to go back and send the person the next copy, you actually have the template. The dark theme now where you can actually like email bright and you're focusing on maybe something important at night, you can actually change that. And for the reading pane, you can actually split the screen and actually read from it, and you can also mute a particular message if you really don't want to come across it. Right? So first thing we want to do is to bring up the browser. Now we're actually in the browser. So in order for us to work with the undo feature, we're going to click right here, compose. When you click on compose, you notice this error come up. So we're going to put in an email address right there. And then we're going to put in a subject. That's it. Just book. Right? And I'm going to send it. Or you pay close attention to over here. Right? And see exactly what takes place. If you notice, you see the undo right here. You notice, had I put it over here, so it's actually gone. Look at the time spot is short. In order for me to extend that time, we want to come all the way up here to settings. You're going to click on settings. You're going to click on all settings. See all settings right here. When you click on all settings, you're going to come right here. Notice it's the undo. That's actually period is 5 seconds. You're going to click on this down and put it at least 30. When you finish with that, come all the way. While you put it on 30, you have a longer time. That's it now. Come off of the screen. And you press save right here. Just like that. And then you're going to reboot the account right here. Right? And as soon as this finish, right, we do it again and we see exactly the length of time that you have to think. Alright, so we're going to click on compose again. I don't select a different email, and then you're going to see exactly how long it appear here that you can actually, think about it and all of that. Right? So while we click on compose, here it shows it actually loading up right here. So what we wanted to do is to put an email address right there. Right, so we're going to put a subject send me, and we're going to press send. So when I press send, right, if you notice over here, notice you see the undo. You notice, now go at the same time, you notice I can actually do a talk look at it and it still label correct anytime. So when I click on undo, you notice this is what I actually said a while ago. So I actually undo it back. So very important. So if and when you find that you make a mistake or whatever, you can actually undo it. Right, so very important. So that is one of the things that you can actually look at. Right, the next thing you want to look at is schedule email. Right, you want to bring up the email again. You're going to click on compose again. Click on compose, you're going to put in the email address again. Right, you're going to put in the subject, just like that. So while I put in the subject, you're going to say see you in the morning. Right, so just going to write that. Let me correct that. Good. And then we're going to come right here. Notice we are accustomed to this send button, but we're going to click right here, this little pointer. You notice it says schedule email, we're going to click that. Notice when I click that, right up here, so that I can actually click it off. And right here, it says I can schedule it for tomorrow, schedule it for tomorrow. And we can schedule it for tomorrow in the afternoon. You can also pick it for in the morning, Monday morning, or we can pick a time and it by clicking right there. Right, so if you come right here, we can actually change the month from right here, so you can actually change the time and everything from there. And when you're done, you can just press schedule right there. But how do you know that it's scheduled? When you come all the way over here, so to your left, you notice it says schedule, and if you click on it, schedule, you notice it actually show you this right over here. Yes, so it's very important. So that's exactly how you actually do this thing here. So, right, so as you complete that particular one, the next one you're going to be looking at is create template, right? And you're going to see exactly how this template look like. All right. So for instance, this particular person you're sending this email, right? So what you want to do is click on the word reply, right? And when you reply there, say okay, then you can say I will. Right, so when you do that now, you're going to come all the way here to your right. You notice if you look at that, let's say click on some more option. When you click on it, right, if you notice when you click on it, definitely you notice you don't see the red template. In order for you to enable the template, you're going to come all the way here, click on settings, you click on more settings, right? Very important. And then what you wanted to do, definitely you want to click right here on the advanced. So when you click on the advanced, you notice this is service template, you notice the template is disabled, so you're going to click enable, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to click right here, so save change, just like that. So very important, right? So sometimes you might not see because it's actually disabled. So now you know exactly how to enable it, right? So let me get back to the main meat and the matter now, right? So let me click back on this again. When you click back on it again, you're going to see exactly how the template come into play, and where you can actually save the template, you can delete the template and all that. Right? If you notice it right here, now when I come right back here, you look at that and click. Right? I come right to that here and I click right here, click. If you notice, come right up here, so I have the template right here. Right? And so right here, so that I can actually save it as just draft. Right? If you notice it's right down here, so that I can actually save it. Right, so very important. So you can actually write the information inside here. So as when you send it again, you actually have a template to go from. So very important. Here so that you can actually delete the template. Right? So very important how you actually do that particular one. So we have learned something from that particular one. Right? So we're going to look at any other one. Right? And this one is dark theme. Right? So look at dark theme. You notice in the email, let me remind you notice in the email, this area can a little bit whitish. And it may be troubling the eye. You want it a little darker. What you want to do is come all the way here to settings again. When you click on the word settings here, what you will happen when you click on settings, you will see here the theme. You click on view all. When you click on view all, there you go right up here. You can actually scroll down here. And when you scroll down, you can actually select this dark one right here. And if you notice, when you finish, you press save. You notice how it look like. Yes, it actually have that dark one. So if and when you want to change it back to the next one, like maybe another day, you can actually go back right here. And when you click there, go right down to where it says theme, and just click on view all, and then you can actually put back the previous one there. And when you click on that, then you can come right here and press save. Right? It's very important. The next thing that I wanted to look at is the reading pane. Right, this is very important, reading pane. Right, for the reading pane, and notice if I click on my email right here, you notice it cover all the page. I can't see the next one. Alright, so what I wanted to do to change that, right? So very important. What I wanted to do, I want to come right here, settings again. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to go to all settings. I'm going to click on all settings. What will happen? I'm going to go right here. That said inbox. And I click on inbox there. Alright, it's very important. And I click on inbox. Then I'm going to scroll down. Scroll down. And notice this is a reading pane. Notice it's unchecked, so I'm going to check it like that. When I check, I finish, I'm going to come all the way down. I'm going to save changes right here. So very important that you know exactly where to find some of these settings here. So when I finish that now, then what I wanted to do now, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. That particular here. Alright, there you go. This itself is a reading pane. Right? So if I click on the reading pane, you notice it's separate over here. So if I come over here and I click on the book right here, you notice the email appear over here, and I still can see the rest over here. And I can come right here. You notice it actually show up over here again, and I can actually come in between here, so I can scroll up and search what I have over here, and I can actually click over here, and everything actually show over here. So I can both see the one that I click on, I can see the rest that I can actually look on. Right, and not only that, I can come right here, look down arrow, and when you click, you can say no split, you can say vertical, here you can say horizontal, and if I come like that and say no split, you notice gone back to the original stuff, right? And that's how you use the reading pane to do, right? So the next time what we're going to look at is mute, where you can mute the message, definitely. So if for example somebody keep on sending a message that you don't really like, the message or whatever, what you can do to mute that, Alright, so for instance, this is a particular person. What you can do is put the cursor on it, you're going to right click on it, and then come all the way here. This is what? Mute. Otherwise, you can come back here and undo that. Alright, it's very important. As you put the cursor on it, and right click, you come down, you can actually mute. And that's exactly how you can actually do it. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Remember to share it with your friend and give it a thumbs up. And see you in the next video.